How to turn off notifications in Agoda app. First of all, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down and find Apps or App Management, then select Agoda from the list of installed apps. Tap on Notifications. Here you can toggle off all notifications from Agoda. You can also choose to disable only certain types of notifications if you still want to receive important booking alerts. Once turned off, you will no longer receive alerts about special deals, booking updates, price alerts, or travel reminders from Agoda. This is useful if you want a quiet, distraction-free experience or if you are managing multiple travel apps at once. You can always return to your device settings to re-enable notifications anytime whenever needed. Turning off notifications from your device settings helps you stay focused without distractions while still keeping control over your Agoda app experience. Now you know how to turn off notifications for the Agoda app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.